Our country is emerging from a once-in-a-century pandemic. Our society and our economy are reopening and have to be renewed. I am proud of the work that Fianna Fáil and the other government parties are doing in this regard. With Minister Darragh O'Brien, we have fundamentally transformed the state's approach to home building in response to a housing crisis. And with Minister Stephen Donnelly, we've begun a process of profound reform of our health services. Minister Michael McGrath is concluding a comprehensive review of the country's National Development Plan, investing in services and projects for the long term, and we are preparing for a budget that will drive forward our recovery from the pandemic. Minister Norma Foley has ensured our children are safely back at school, with significant funding to mitigate the damage that COVID has done to the learning environment and to their education. Our young people are back enjoying third-level education on campus. Minister McConalogue is ensuring that our farmers, agri-food product producers, rural communities and our fishing communities are protected for the future, and particularly in terms of the environmental schemes which have been oversubscribed. We are, as a government, transforming the apprenticeships sector, introducing real insurance reform, improving mental health services, and radically changing services for older people and citizens with disabilities for the better. Sinn Féin will play their games. My party, Fianna Fáil, and the three-party coalition government will do what we were elected to do. We will work every moment we have to improve the quality of people's lives and to build up our country.